Today we will speak about the frequency channels, or letters as we call them, and how the sensors with the same frequency letter can influence each other. We decided to imitate the situation on the example of the monostatic sensors FM with the operating frequency 5.8 GHz. In our test, we will use two sensors FM42 5.8 with the frequency letters 1 and 3, and the sensor FM35.8 with the frequency letter 3, installed opposite on the same axis at a small distance from each other. We use the software to connect to the sensor with frequency letter 3, and we see an off-scale signal level and false alarms accordingly. This is the consequence of the intersection of radio signal spectra in the air. We power off the opposite sensor. We see that its influence on our sensor stopped. The noise in the subzones disappeared, the sensor is a norm state, and it triggers accurately. In order to exclude such mutual interference on each other, our designers have implemented a division into frequency letters in the sensors, so the sensor with a certain frequency letter emits a signal only in its frequency. We power on again the sensor FM35.8, and we see again the noise in the subzones and false alarms. Now let's connect to the neighboring sensor with frequency letter 1. We see no extra noise in the subzones. The sensor registers the intrusion only. We have clearly demonstrated that the sensors with different frequency letters can be used in the same facility in close proximity to each other, and even on the same access line. The sensors with the same frequency letters should be located at a considerable distance from each other. If you need the sensors with different frequency letters, kindly specify it when ordering.